Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to get the inside of your Mercedes super clean. You know, we all drive around with our Mercedes looking nice and clean on the outside, and if there are stains, grease marks or anything like that on our interior, especially on the cars that have the light tan or gray interiors, those are usually very hard to clean. The more you clean them, they smudge out. Got a nice product here that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your car looking clean again. So stay with me. As soon as you finish watching this video, be sure to check out my other videos on this channel, and be sure to subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Once you've subscribed, be sure to click on that bell so that you get notified every single time I release a video. So Tough Stuff, this multi-purpose foam cleaner, is very powerful. It does a deep cleaning with foam action that lifts the dirt and help restore, the true color. This product is perfect for your Mercedes upholstery, carpet, leather, siding, and other fabrics inside the car. The smell does not or is not overwhelming and will not damage your Mercedes in any way or form. Start by spraying the Tough Stuff foam onto the affected area until it foams up. I'm just going to let this foam work its way in for 30 to 40 seconds. And then using this sharp paper towel, spray some of that on here just to moisten it a little. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to... And it's gotten most of the dirt off. That's it for a bit, another 30 seconds or so. And of course, while you're cleaning, you'll always see other areas that you can touch. And the rest of the cabin. Right here. So let's start with this section. Stuff comes right out. Now for this stubborn section. Let's get to other areas. Let's get these other areas over here now. Then we're going to let that dry. For stains that do not appear to come out when you rub them out, Tough Stuff will continue to work and clean long after you're done scrubbing. So just leave it alone, and in a few days you'll notice that the stain is gone. Like these items right here, you will see after that they're gone. I'm now in the trunk area. I'm going to apply more of this cleaner on all those hard areas. Kids love to put their hands everywhere. Let those sit for 30 seconds or so. Alright, so let's get started on the first section. Then over here, alright, let's take a look to see how it looks after it's been dried up. Completely clean now. Completely clean. That column is good. All the grease on this column is also cleaned up. All the spots that I touched earlier, clean. Areas in the trunk that I touched, clean as well. Looking good, looking good, looking good. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.